Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, I'm going to do a video that is only for UChat partners. Okay, so basically this will show you how to add and remove add-ons. Okay, so that is very important. We receive a lot of messages about this. I hope this video can clear it for all. Okay, so first of all, we have an option for the UChat partners that is called credit billing. Okay, add-on credit billing. So this option is very important because if you have the add-on credit billing on, that's another way you can add and remove add-ons. If you turn it off, that's another way you can add and remove add-ons. Okay, so first of all, we are going to talk about how to add the add-ons with the credit billing off. Okay, so let me share my screen. So if you go to your white label settings, go to your partner settings, you can see there is a credit billing for the add-ons. Okay, so this is the option that you've turned it off. So if you turn it off, so basically, what I can think is there are two ways you can do. Okay, first of all is you have you have a checkout page if you want the customer to do it themselves. Okay. So you have a front page, you have a checkout page that will show the add-ons, okay, and then the customers can purchase, and then whatever the payment gateways you are using, hopefully they have the trigger, okay, so that you can listen to the trigger that you receive the payment, and then you can see we have a partner APIs over here, okay, so you can call our partner API, and then you can use. We have add-ons or remove add-ons. So basically, depending on what the product the user purchase, and usually you will receive that email address, okay? Or you can have custom fields. Let them provide that workspace ID. So if they provide that workspace ID, you can directly use in here and call this partner API to add the add-ons. Okay, if you doesn't have the workspace ID, it's going to be a little tricky. Okay, so at least you will have the emails, and then you can search that email. With the clients, partner clients, you can search by email to see if you can find the workspace or not. Okay, and then you can use that workspace ID and upgrade. Okay, so maybe it's not 100% accurate, but that's the best you can do if you only have the email address. Okay, so you will need a little bit of developer knowledge to set this up, but that is one option. Okay, second is you are going to manage this manually for your clients. Okay, so what you can do here is you can go to your partner white label settings, go to workspace, and select. For example, this is the partner who just purchased. Okay, you can click change plans, scroll down, and you will see all the options over here. Okay, and then you can manually add this to your clients. But you need to connect the money first. Basically, you are handling this kind of the payment add and remove manually. Okay, so that's the way you can do. And in this way, the add-on credit billing is off. Okay, so now let's talk about what happens if the add-on credit billing is on. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what's the point to have the add-on credit billing. The point to have the add-on credit billing is to let your customers handle this themselves. Okay, so your customers will have a wallet. Okay, they are based on the points. How many points? Okay, you can define how many currency they pay to you and how many points they get, and then they are using these points to purchase the add-on from that side. Okay, so that's the why we introduce this add-on credit billing. Okay, so in order for this to work, you need to, first of all, is go to the add-on credit billing. No, go to the partner settings. You need to turn it on. Okay, turn on the add-on credit billing. If you still need more details, which I'm not covering in this video, you can watch this video. Okay, it will explain everything. And now the second step is you need to go to add-on billings. You need to define how much you are selling for those add-ons we offer. Okay, and also you need to offer a few of the options. So, basically how much money the user pays you and how much points they are getting. Okay, and also for the add-on credit billing, we also have the auto top up option. Okay, so if they are purchasing these add-ons, so the next month, if they didn't have enough points, we will automatically charge from the card so that the add-ons can be renewed next month. Okay, so that's the second step you need to do. Now let's go to so you set up your point system, okay, and the end user purchases the points. So basically, ideally, if you set up this way, you doesn't need to manually add add-ons for your clients. Basically, you just send to them, okay, you can purchase these points from your interface, and then you can use these points to purchase the add-ons you want. Okay, so basically, technically, this feature is built for them to handle this themselves. Okay, but there are some cases that the partners want to help their clients, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, this is a manual way you can help them. So because you are already using the point system, add-on credit billing point system. Okay, so if you go to the workspaces, you can see there is a point over here. Okay, so technically, for example, if I click change the plans, you can see all the add-ons is based on the points already. Okay, so if I click this one, for example, the change add-on failed, no enough points. Okay, so in this way, you need to click here, add the points manually for your clients, and then you use those points to add the add-ons. Okay, so for example, I had at 30 points. This is testing and apply and confirm. You can see now these clients have 30 points, and then you can click change plans, and then you can see this add-on costs 10 points per month. Okay, so you can click this. Now this will go through because the customers is already having the enough points. So if you are turning on the credit billing, we are always using the point the customers have. Okay, so it's either the customers purchase those points from you, or you give these points to your clients. Okay, so basically that's how you are going to work if you are turning the add-on credit billing. Okay, so let me see. That's the second point that I showed you, how to add add-ons with the credit billing on. Okay, now let's talk about how to remove the add-on. So the remove add-on, the first thing I want to talk about is this one. Okay, let me highlight this. This is extremely important. So if you want to change the limits, you need to make sure your clients, they are within the limits. How do I say? So for example, your clients have 3 bots now. Okay, but they want to remove 1 bot. They only use 2 bots. So what you need to do here, first step, make sure your clients currently only have 2 bots. That means they already removed the extra bot they are not going to use. Okay, and same with the team members. Okay, so if they have 6 team members, they want to remove 1, they want to only use 5 team members, they need to remove the members before you make any changes. Okay, the point here is, if you doesn't do this, if for example, the customer still have 3 bots, and you just go ahead and remove one extra bot. This bot doesn't delete the bot in the customer's workspace, okay? It's only change the limits. So you do not need to worry about you are going to delete any of the bots in your client's workspace. No, do not need to worry about that. It's only change the limits. But the thing is, if the customer still have 3 bots in his account and you change the limits, you remove 1 bot. Now the limit is 2 bots. And then it doesn't match, okay? It doesn't match up. And then when we are doing the check, the client's workspace will be paused because the bots they have doesn't match with the limits they have. So that workspace will be paused, and they need to reach out to you, and it will be quite complicated. Okay, so the best way is always to make sure your clients already remove the add-ons, the bots or members they do not use. And after that, you can make the changes from your side. Currently, the clients cannot remove the add-ons from their side. This is something we will improve in the future for the add-on credit billing. But currently, you still need to manually change this for your clients. Okay, so what you can do now is, for example, these clients, they have 1 extra bot. Okay. Currently, it doesn't have any bots, so that's fine. I can show you how to remove the bots. So you simply go over here, click Change Plans, and scroll down. You will see all the add-ons you purchased will show here. Okay, you simply click this, Remove Add-ons, and then you can see the add-ons is already removed. Okay. So whether you are using the points, whether the customers are using the credit billing, using the points for the add-ons, or they doesn't use that, it's the same way you can remove add-ons. You just need to make sure the quantity of the add-ons you want to remove and the type of add-ons you want to remove. Okay, and also make sure the client's limits is they already make the change, they already delete the extra add-ons from that side. Okay, otherwise it will create problems. So basically, yeah, that is all what we are covering today. Is we already showed you how to add the add-ons, okay, with the credit billing on and off, and also how to remove the add-ons. And what's the one thing you need to make sure is make sure the client is within the limits, okay, within the limits for the new new plan limits. So that's the video for today, and I really hope that you can get this, you can understand the process. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to UChat support through email and Facebook groups. And also, if you are partners, you have access to our Discord live chat server. You can ask the questions over there. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you soon.